I'm here in Hall 4 and I have the pleasure to be able to talk to Mr. Junghanß. He is the CEO of the company Alphacam. We were talking about the additive manufacturing and how there's been a development in the past years, but you said it was more development in the people's heads. What do you mean by that?
Yeah, so I think the important thing is we came from rapid prototyping. Now, since we call it additive manufacturing, people's mind is growing. It's opening. So people are looking more into the possibilities, what I can get out of an additive manufactured part. So it mustn't be only a prototype. It can be something else. So it can be a handling tool. It can be a fixture. So that's what's growing, but it's growing in the people's mind, and that's what we also see if we bring the machines to the engineer's table. Suddenly, the brain or the ideas of the engineers is starting, and they're doing crazy things with it. And I think that's the important message we have to bring, that 3D printing or rapid prototyping is now growing to additive manufacturing, and we can do much more things than only prototypes.
We were talking about the printers that you can buy, the 3D printers that you can buy for relatively little amount of money. What do you say about them? Do you see them as some kind of competition?
I wouldn't say it's a competition. So in one part, it helps to bring the knowledge into the general people's mind. So it helps us to get the interest from the industry. And we are calling it more or less a toy because it makes fun to play with, but it's not relevant what kind of parts you get out of the machine. So we are from the professional printers. We are using machines where you can really get really good parts, which you can use later on in your machine or whatever you want.
Speaking about relevance, why is it a relevant topic? Why is it relevant to come here to the K? Why do you have to be here when you're presenting your stuff?
I think the K show is very important. So it's the important show of the plastic industry, especially for Europe, but I think worldwide. So we have had a lot of visitors from overseas. So I think it's very important to be here because here are the people who are looking for plastics, and that's important. Absolutely.
Mr. Junghanß, thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful stay here in Düsseldorf.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.